and then they will start to drilling. And the process, the drilling process, they have their own sequence. It is 4 turns to the left and 4 turns to the right. That is how they're gonna maintain the whole crate. But first of all, they will spray it with the water like this, and then they will start to drill. How they make the hole, yeah? 4 turns to the left and 4 turns to the right. So this process is not gonna take like 2 days, 1 day, or 1 week like that. It's gonna take like 5, 6 to 7 months to do the drilling process only. And after it reaches until the end of this ironwood here, they will use X to cut it over, become the sumpitan. Become the shape of sumpitan here. Okay? So when they have this blowpipe, okay, they will make the curve here. Okay, this is how they will recognize which one is belong to them, the blowpipe. Because inside the long house, they will have more than 200 pieces of blowpipe. They can up to 200 or more than that, yeah? Because this blowpipe here, they will not just simply give it to their son, like, son, this is belongs to you. No, okay? They will ask them to make it by themselves, their son. Or otherwise, okay, they can give it to their son after their son kill people and take the human head. They only can give when they already take the human head, okay? Because they already train their child, okay, their kids when they are still in childhood, okay? Normally when they are in age like 8 to above, they already train them the martial art, how to survive inside the jungles like that, okay? So when they have the blowpipe here, it comes together with the dart. So the dart, long time ago, it's really poisonous, yeah? Okay? This is the dart, looks like. They made it from the bamboo, yeah? And then on the tip of it, they will put the poison and they will cut it half. Okay, so when they shoot the enemy, okay, only the tip will left on their skin. This one will be break, like that. So when they shoot, normally when the headhunter people shoot you, you will not realize. Okay, so after few hours or few minutes after that, that will make you dizzy, and after that you will die instantly. It's all depending with the poison that they put. Yeah. So this blowpipe here, there's a 2 way of it. You not only can use it as a blowpipe to shoot, but you can make it as a spear. Okay? So here, before you guys try, my friend will demonstrate to you first, and maybe it's more better if you move from there.
Because the target is somewhere.
Yeah, like that. So where's the chief? Come, you're the first one who try everything we have inside and outside the house. Okay, sir.
Coba mau ini yang bubulan madu kah?
Bukan, sini. Ini yang apa? Honeymoon.
Bisa kah? That's the best group target.
Or you can try to shoot my friend here. Nah.